Halong Bay, a beautiful natural wonder in northern Vietnam. Halong Bay is an UNESCO World Heritage Site and the most popular travel destination in Vietnam. The bay is dotted with 1600 limestone island and cover an area of over 1500 square kilometer. And the best way to experience this landscape is by a overnight cruise trip. So let's start the video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Hey guys, this is Ritali and welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 2 in Vietnam and we are traveling to Halong Bay from Hanoi, and we are doing this with a company called Dragon Lizard Cruise. And guess what? Today is our anniversary. Happy anniversary. This is actually a package tour. They picked us from our Airbnb room with this van. This van looks super fancy. So let's go. So we finally reached at Halong International Cruise Port. So that's the cruise port, and it took us more than 3 hours to reach Halong Cruise Port all the way from Hanoi. Very soon we are going to board our cruise, which is Dragon Lizard Cruise, and we already got our pass. Stay tuned.
We're here on the fourth floor. We call it multi-functioning. It's the original. We're here. We know over there is wrong.
So this is our room in Dragon Lizard Cruise. Here is a sitting place, and wait, just look at the view. But the view will be much better after some time. It just started now. That's the bathroom. And look the view from the jacuzzi. We had our lunch at top of the cruise and lunch was good. Next we will go for kayaking after some time and look the view from our room. This is my first time experience inside a cruise and I am loving it. This room is really fancy and this view is totally magical. Now I will show you this view in time lapse. the middle of sea. And the view is amazing. A lot of people from our cruise also going there, and that's our cruise.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yet what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh.
Hey guys, good morning. It's our day 2 in Travel Vision Cruise, and I am having my morning tea at the top of this cruise. There are some people are doing Tai Chi. I am also going to join them after this tea and just look the view around. And I can't explain the beauty of this place. It's really awesome. With the view, and here this ship has stopped at some place where we will go for cave exploring, and lot of other ships are also standing there.